Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the MindCAPITAL business opportunity presentation. I'm going to be taking you through a short presentation, 15-20 minutes, that's going to be showing you how you can make a passive daily income with a business, a home business, where you can start this anywhere in the world, no cost, no monthly fees, and yet we've got members making anything from $100 a day to in excess of $1,000 a day, even literally $2,000, $3,000 and more per day. So again, I'm going to go onto the screen share in a little while. I'm going to basically go through some slides, tell you a little bit about the company, the CEO, and how you can make money today. After that, I'm going to log live into my own account, and I'm going to show you literally an overview of the kind of money that you can make here. It is absolutely phenomenal. So with that, just before I get started into the presentation, I'm going to give you literally a little introduction of myself, just so you know who I am and where I'm coming from. I've been a business owner now for over 30 years. I've been making money on the internet now for over 22 years. I was online in 1995, and I was making a full-time income by 1997. That's all I've ever done. A lot of people who know me literally consider me to be one of the best marketers in the world. We've built some massive teams, companies. Last company I was with, I built a team of we had over $300 million, over 300,000 members. And again, that's just one business that we were with. So I came across MindCAPITAL literally towards the end of 2019. So literally just over 5 months ago now. And a good friend of mine, Jets out of Australia, shared this opportunity with me. He said, "Simon, I've got something solid to share with you, and it looks phenomenal." And when I took a look at it, it absolutely blew me away, but I needed to be sure. So I basically flew to Madrid in Spain, where the company is based, and I met the CEO, interviewed the CEO, and also the corporate team. I was blown away. They had a launch event on the 11th of January, and I was at the launch event, 400 leaders, mainly South American and Spanish at that event, but there was a few English, one US guy, a few Europeans, other Europeans. And again, we basically, we've worked this full time now, and again, our team has done over 4.5 million in volume now. Everyone's making money, everyone's happy. And the beautiful thing is we're just getting started here. So just bear with me, I'm just gonna go on the full screen share. And again, if you don't see that, just let me know. Thank you. Okay, I'll just put this on the full screen for you. Okay, so welcome to Mind.capital, passion for crypto world. Okay, so MindCAPITAL welcomes you to the world of crypto activities and invites you to take advantage of participating in crypto fiat arbitrage from the most transparent company that I certainly know ever. And I've been with some companies in the last 3 years in crypto. I got started in in 2017, and the price of Bitcoin was $1,250. Today we're trading at around $9,500, just over $9,600 today. And again, this is what we call arbitrage, just so you're aware of that. So it's not high risk, okay? It's very low risk. Because it's not kind of gambling on the price whether it's going to go up. It's not a bot that trades it actually looks on the different exchanges for the price differentials, and once it sees a profit there, it'll close that profit out, and we get a portion of that profit. And I'll go through that a little bit later in the slides. So again, if we have a look at the market, the cryptocurrency market, there's over 2,500 different cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin is the main one that everybody knows, with a household name. Most people have heard about it. Bitcoin, that is, but most people still don't have it. If you're buying Bitcoin today, then you are considered an early adopter, and it definitely gets my top recommendation, no question about it. The market growth is predicted to be, from now, it's between $200 and $300 billion to actually exceed the next 10 years over $3.6 trillion. So this is a massive growth market. There's more adoption, more people and businesses using it each day. And a Bitcoin is considered like literally almost like online gold. I mean, it really is, it's phenomenal. Okay, so a little bit about the CEO again. So again, this is our CEO, Gonzalo Garcia Paleo, and this is a very successful entrepreneur. Okay, like I said, I mentioned At the start, I flew to Madrid, met him, very friendly, nice man, very intelligent man, 72 years young, had a massive successful career. He was actually, he's the #1 record holder for winning the most in the casinos ever. Won over 250 million pesetos, okay, over $200 million he beat the casinos with. Think about that. He was so successful, they've even made a film about him. It's available to watch on the front main website, so you can do that. He's been featured on all the top European magazines, again on the front of the website. I'll explain that. But not only that, he's actually produced over 160 music albums. But not only that, he's actually produced and directed over 10 films, one considered to be the top 100 in Spain and also the top 1,000 worldwide. So again, a very successful entrepreneurial CEO. He got involved in crypto, started to understand it, and started to see the price differences in the fiat, the exchanges, especially combined with the fiat markets as well, the fiat markets that is. And again, they did a pre-launch, which was started at the end of September of 2019. The pre-launch, very successful, and the official launch was on the 11th of January 2020. So this is the corporate team of MindCAPITAL. Obviously, you've got Gonzalo there, the CEO. You've got Oscar Garcia. That's Oscar is obviously son, the vice president of MindCAPITAL. I've met all the team here, excluding Alengero. On the bottom right there. Customer support is absolutely fantastic. Ruben Arcos, brilliant, does some great videos explaining the business. Manuel Arnaz made millions of dollars in this industry. And then Christina Kelly, the social media director, who we work with daily and gives us updates all throughout the social media channels. Absolutely fantastic team, great working with them. They've just actually launched a new site. The first site was absolutely fantastic anyway, very clear and easy to use. Now they've even improved on that. I didn't think they could, but they did. It is absolutely fantastic how they explain and show everything here. It's brilliant. Okay, so MindCAPITAL have got a company in Estonia. Now, Estonia is the world's #1 most crypto-friendly country in the world. And you can see the registration code there. And again, this shows the transparency and they're doing everything in the legals correctly, ladies and gentlemen. Very important to understand that. You've got to be careful out there. There's a lot of cryptocurrency scams, Ponzi's, these kind of things that go out there. MindCAPITAL is real, 100% transparent, real trading. We're going to go through that a little later. And again, it's very important that you obviously do your due diligence. So Gaia is the ecosystem that MindCAPITAL have created. And this basically again, makes the company more solid, more dynamic, more profitable. And again, this is only just the start of this incredible opportunity. So again, they've got their own technology, they've got their own bot. Nobody can copy what the MindCAPITAL do because, again, nobody has the technology that MindCAPITAL have. In fact, they were the first company to do crypto arbitrage. Okay, somebody said to me the other day that they do, oh right, I've seen all these crypto arbitrage before, but this doesn't just do the crypto arbitrage, it also does it with the fiat markets as well. No other company does that I'm aware, and this certainly is the world's first company to do that. So again, this is arbitrage, so it's not high-risk trading like Forex, nothing like that at all, okay? It is phenomenal, and again, everyone wins, everyone's making money here, everyone's happy. So profitability is the priority of MindCAPITAL. The bot is programmed to produce 2.5%. Okay, when it sees that, it shares that between the members. Company gets 35% of that, so they're doing very well, very happy. The affiliates get 65%, or obviously if you've made a contribution. They basically, since we've been in with the company, every single trading day, the bot has made a profit. I mean, every single day. In fact, it's never made a loss. Even if it didn't make a profit, okay, it wouldn't actually show a loss either because, again, it isn't looking for gambling on the markets, the price going up. It doesn't matter whether the price is going up or down. You will still make money here. Absolutely fantastic. It's live on the blockchain. And again, we get paid daily. Okay, so again, what is the arbitrage that we develop? So again, it studies the markets on the different cryptocurrency exchanges. There's thousands out there. It's looking for that opportunity. When it sees that opportunity, it'll close that trade out and we get a share of that. That's the basis of it. Very, very simple. So again, here's a diagram. You've got the MindCAPITAL bot at the top. You've got the exchange. Here you've got the brokers, it's reading it, it's doing it all automatically. You don't need to know anything about this at all. Literally, you just make a contribution, and you still own that contribution, by the way. And again, it just makes you more money each day. Absolutely fantastic. So another example here, you've got the exchange one, you've got the exchange two, you've got the differences on the price. It sees that profit, close it out. On this example, you can see there $202 US profit there. Very, very simple. So MindCAPITAL is the coin, a stable coin. It's only internal. It's not available on the exchanges. You cannot buy it out there on the public exchanges. Okay, and they brought this out to make the company more stable, because the governments out there were looking at, and maybe even so they could do that in the future, is close the stable coins out, because a lot of fiat currency was going into the cryptocurrency stable coins, and they didn't want that. They don't want to see that happen. So again, MindCAPITAL create their own coin to protect against that, and again, that's why it's internal only. So one MindCAPITAL coin is equivalent to $1 US in value. That is the beautiful thing to get there. So little example of the profits. The profits are going to be between 0.5 and 1.5% weekdays. Okay, this is the trading days, because it does trade the fiat markets, and the fiat markets are closed at the weekends. Okay, just so you're aware of that. It works on a mobile device, iPads. It doesn't have an app. It's all web-based. And again, you can also compound your profits. So again, you know, each day, if you want to, you can take your profits and you can withdraw them, or you can use them profits to make even more profits. And Einstein, a very clever man, said this: the most powerful way to make money ever is to compound your profits. A lot of members tend to do that, and the reason being is because you are going to multiply your account into a higher value, and obviously, you know, the more trading that you have in the trading, the more obviously profits you're going to make. The minimum, the maximum that you can have in the trading in the arbitrage is $100,000. Just so you're aware, the minimum is $40. Okay, so the compounding feature is automatically set, and most members will leave it like that. Okay, so again, they monitor all their activity. I'm going to log into my my sites after this. After these slides, I'm going to show real time, live on the blockchain. In addition to that, the company do monthly technical Zoom calls where they show you all the live trades. They actually show you a copy of the hash ID. They go into the exchanges and they show you this is for real. They also record everything, and in the company's YouTube channel, you can watch all them recordings there, and again, showing you that this company is for real. And they do all this because there's been too many cryptocurrency scams out there, and people are obviously, you know, very wary. And that's the beautiful thing here: transparency for everybody, recording everything and showing this is a real company, guys. This is real trading, real profits. And the beautiful thing, remember, you don't want to recruit or refer anybody. You don't have to. You just want to be get a passive income. You can do that with MindCAPITAL. Okay, so the minimum to get started, just so you're aware, this is not a cost. There is no cost to join MindCAPITAL. This is the $40. You have to make a contribution if you want to make a profit, because it's trading and it can't make, the bot can't make a profit out of zero. Yeah, so you make a contribution of $40 paid in Bitcoin. That's the minimum. Okay, the maximum is 100,000. The average team member is about just shy of $1,900 contribution, just so you're aware of that. But bottom line is, the more that you have in the contribution, the more profits you're going to make. Okay, the percentages are always the same, so you've got more capital there, you're going to make money. It's real trading. One MindCAPITAL, $1 American. Okay, so let's look at some of the advantages. Okay, company have got their own bot, they've got their own corporate team. It's all literally, it's in-house, so nobody has what MindCAPITAL have. Okay, and not only that, again, this is the world's first crypto and fiat arbitrage company out there, and I still don't know if there's any other companies out there doing that. It's a complex procedure. Beautiful thing is, it's all automated. You don't need to do anything. Just make a contribution and make money. That is the simplest thing here that you can ever do. So it's got the greatest transparency out there. We all know the CEO is. You can go and meet him. I know we're in lockdown, but we are getting out of lockdown slowly, so you can meet them if you want to. The payments are instant, by the way, within seconds. I just did another $10,000 withdrawal is in my account within seconds, live on the blockchain. Phenomenal. And then it's also got the, if you want to take this as a business and build literally a global income, you can do that. Even making a career and make millions of dollars, it's potentially, you can do that here with MindCAPITAL. So how do you participate? You get back to the person who shared this presentation with you. You register an account in MindCAPITAL. You make a minimum contribution of $40 or a maximum of $100,000 into your account. You give it a full 24 hours for the company to put it into the trading bot, and then you'll start to see the daily profits. The daily profits you can withdraw daily, 7 days per week, or you can compound that all the way up to 100,000 if you like. And then you have the opportunity also to invite others into the opportunity, and you will earn a percentage of their profits as well if you decide to do that. I'll show that with you. So again, it's very simple. This is an example of making a deposit. You obviously just log it. Once you've got an account, you log in, you decide how much you want to make a contribution to start the trading. You basically, there's a slider bar. Obviously they'll give you a Bitcoin address. You send the Bitcoin to that, and then give them a full 24 hours, okay, for it to go into the trading to start seeing a profit. Okay, so profits, commissions, they can be withdrawn instantly, 7 days per week. In the middle of the night on a Sunday, you can do withdrawals. It's in your account. I've just done a video. I put it all out there on my site channel, so you can check that out. The minimum withdrawal is $50, just so you're aware of that, okay? Your capital that you start with, okay, your contribution capital, you can withdraw after 90 days. So literally, if you started with whatever it is, 1,000, 10,000, even 100,000, after 90 days, you want that capital out, you can get it. That is the amazing thing here. Now, here's what we already know, is 97% of our team actually leave the capital in, because remember, if you take the capital out, you've got nothing to trade, so no income's coming in. And I can assure you, everybody wants income, okay? So that shows you the power of what we have here. 97% are still leaving the capital in. That tells you they're very happy with the returns that they're getting here. And if you think about this, the returns, the monthly returns are between 13 and 18%. They are massive. They are significant returns passively. So, you know, if you've got $10,000 in your account, you're making between $1,300 and $1,800 per month. You've got 100,000, you're making 13 to 18,000 per month, totally passive income. You work that out over a year, that is some serious money coming in. And then we haven't even talked about the business, the affiliate program yet. So how do you feel about a business, a global business? It doesn't cost anything to join. It's a real company, real opportunity. It can earn you passive income, and you also have the opportunity to build a career, make thousands of dollars, and keep building that. How do you feel about that? That feels pretty amazing to me. Okay, so we have the referral program here. This is basically where you can earn from the referrals profits of their contributions, and you can also earn team volumes down 10 levels. I'm going to go through these slides with you now. As you can see here on this slide, the first level here is the consultant level. You have to make a minimum contribution of $40. Okay, and that'll allow you to earn down 2 levels in the compensation plan, okay? So you'll earn 8% off your frontline contributions profit. So if somebody puts in $100,000 on your front line, okay, and the bot produces a 1% return on that day, the person that you introduced will have made $1,000 profit. Very, very happy they'll be, I can assure you. Because you introduced them, you'll earn 8% of that, which is $80. Think about that. You just basically introduce somebody, one person, you're making $80. You don't get it once, you get it every single day. If that bot's producing a profit, you're going to get, they get a profit, and you're going to get a slice of the pie. 8% on the first level, and not only that, on 4% on the second level. Absolutely fantastic. So again, if somebody on that second level puts in 100,000, makes 1% the bot, okay, they're going to be very happy. They've earned, obviously, the $1,000. Because they're on your second level, you're going to earn 4% of that, which is $40. So again, you're on $120, only 2 people in your team, and this is only the start. Imagine where you can be if you really make this a business, a career. You can be, there's no question you could be making thousands of dollars. We've got members doing that from all walks of life, from all over the world. Okay, so the next level is you need to have a frontline combined, okay, contribution of $5,000 or a team of $10,000. And this will allow you to earn 2 further levels, which is the 4 levels. So you'll earn 3 percent on level 3 and level 4. Okay, senior advisor, the level after that, again 15,000 combined on your front level. Okay, so you might, let's say, have 1,000 in yourself, and you've got a team front line of 14,000 equals 15,000, or down the levels 40,000, and then that allows you to earn another 2 levels, so you'll earn enough 6 levels, and you're getting 2% on them levels, and this is significant. Really starts to build big. Leader advisor, 50,000 on your front level, or a team of 160,000 allows you to earn down 8 levels. And then the global advisor, 100,000 combined on your front level, or 650,000 combined team. And this allows you to earn down the full 10 levels in the compensation plan. You could be literally earning off thousands of people. You will not know these people on these lower levels. And every single day, not only are you getting the commission, but it actually keeps on growing, because most people will be compounding their accounts. And this is, it's really exciting. It really is. Okay. So basically, the company recently launched the Ambassadors Club, and this is basically, if you produce a team volume of $4 million, you then basically can earn the more of the 10 levels. You also get a percentage of the company. You do have to be exclusive in promoting the Mind Capital opportunity, and it does need to be approved by the company. There's already 6 ambassadors. I was the 7th who hit that level, literally just a week before last. So it gives you an idea about, you know, there's some guys in this business who are making a lot of money, guys. Okay, so again, look at this business. Okay, what kind of lifestyle are you looking for? Is it the leisure? What about security from the income that can come in, you know, day after day? What about incentive holidays, making friends around the world? We are getting out this lockdown slowly now. The company obviously going to have events, celebrations. They're even making a film about Mind Capital. Okay, remember Gonzalo, the CEO, he's directed over 10 films, and again, they're looking at that film being launched in January 2022. Just so you're aware of that. So they've got big plans, and the beautiful thing is we're just getting started here. So again, if you go to the front of the website, which is mind.capital, you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see the official social media channels. You've got the Facebook page there. You've also got the Instagram group. You've got the Spanish Telegram groups and the English-speaking Telegram groups. You can join them for more information. And then also the YouTube channel, which is fabulous. They always put in YouTube's videos on there. There must be a couple of hundred or more now. They put many on there. And again, you can go and watch that. Just scroll down to the bottom of the front of the website there. So Mind Capital, passion for crypto world, we're waiting for you. So again, that is the slides, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sure you can see this is a phenomenal opportunity. And with that, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to log into my account now. Okay, and I'm just going to go back on the screen share, sorry. And then basically, we are going to should be able to see my screen now, yeah. Okay, yeah. So what we're going to do, we'll log into my account and just give you a little bit of an update of what we're doing here. So again, just go into the page here. Right. Okay. So this is a little bit of an overview. Okay. So you can see here. Okay, one Mind Capital coin is $1 US. I got 100,000 in my account, which is being traded every day. I got a current balance of just shy of $11,000. The top right here, okay, you can see here, to make a new purchase, you would click on here. Now, obviously, you'll get a slider there. I've obviously got the maximum in the trading, so we can't do that on this account. You can do withdrawals here, okay. Now, I've already done a withdrawal of $10,000. If you click on here, transactions over here, you can see that the 23rd of the 6th, which is today's date, I did $10,000. I put it out there on the social media there. It's in my account, it's in your account within seconds, okay, just to give you an idea. Okay, so this is my URL referral link. You will have your own unique link. You can share that with your prospects if they make a purchase and the bot makes a profit, you will get a percentage of that, and it will be from 8% all the way through to 2% on these levels. As you can see, absolutely phenomenal. This is the operation analyze I'm going to show you here, and this basically is updated live. This is only some of the operations, and again, see how it's updating every few seconds, showing the analyzer here, and then the operations performed. We click on this link here, and this basically is showing you different exchanges here that it's on, the rates, the everything. Again, the company do live zooms on here, showing you the hash IDs, everything. It's absolutely phenomenal. In addition to that, they've also just added this feature today, which is the historical returns. So they've just put this in there, showing you the gross percentages and the net percentages and the commission percentages of your account. So again, you can see all that in there. That was newly added today. So company are doing updates. They're also going to be doing many different tutorials and teaching people about blockchain technology, how it works, and things like that. So this is the power of building teams. You can see this is absolutely phenomenal. We've been in this 106 trading days, and look at the kind of the size of the team. We're trading over $4.5 million here already. We'll be doing at least 30 million by the end of this year on this account. My first levels, you can see here the referrals there over 500 there. 173 have made purchases of over $203,000. $203,000 that's getting traded every day, guys, okay? And you get a percentage out of that. It is absolutely fantastic. Just on that one level, never mind all these levels. If you look down these levels, again, we're over 200,000 on level 2, 300,000 level 3, almost 700,000 on level 4, okay, over $750,000 on level 5, over $840,000, okay, this is trading every single day, 670,000 on level 7, 308 all the way down here. I mean, it's just getting bigger and bigger, and you think this is impressive, guys. I can assure you it is nothing. These will be in the millions easily by the end of this year. We've already done the calculations and the figures, and we're on track to do at least $30 million here, and that is life-changing income. It's already life-changing income, and the beautiful thing is anybody can do this business. It doesn't cost anything to join. Everyone's making money. I mean, come on, what's not to like? It's absolutely fantastic. So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed the presentation. I have recorded this. I'm going to put this out onto the on the social media channels. Again, you're watching this video, you're watching it out there in the future, get back to the person who shared this presentation with you. MindCAPITAL gets my top recommendation. I hope you enjoyed it. Whatever you decide, I wish you all the best for the future. So God bless you and have a wonderful day. Thank you.